This house is in the Dunbar area, and here's what it looks like on the inside. But first, let's look at the outside of the home as well as the neighborhood. This house has a bit over 3,000 square feet, and it's got 4 bedrooms. It has a whopping 6 bathrooms, and the lot itself is a bit longer than the average lot. And when I bring you to the back, you can see that. It's located in the desirable Dunbar neighborhood on Vancouver's west side. It's quiet, tree-lined streets, and it's got a family-friendly, welcoming atmosphere. It's got a great proximity to schools. Just to give you an example, it's got Lord Kitchener, Lord Byng, which is a secondary school. And if you're into the private schools, it's got Crofton House and St. George's. Crofton House being a girls' school, and St. George's being an all-boys school. Nearby, as far as parks go, it's got an abundance of parks. Pacific Spirit Park, which is towards UBC, that's a huge park. University Land. Other nearby parks is Camerson Park and Chaldicote Park, and it's got playgrounds and open areas. Nearby, we got Dunbar Village with shops, cafes, and essential services. I'm a realtor in the Vancouver area. If you're looking for a home in the city, please give me a call. My phone number is below, so look forward to talking to you. 10 minutes away, you got a lot of shopping in Kerrisdale, which isn't too far. And as you can see in the area, there's a lot of modern new homes as well as the character homes. Let's go on in and take a look at the house.